Welcome to this anime lash set with Lauren Beauty. We are now going to draw our lash map. First we're going to draw where our longest lengths will be. These will be the lash spikes. Lash spikes should be at least 4 to 6 millimeters longer than the little lashes in between the spikes. This is so the spikes stand out and create a perfect anime finish. And here shows the length the spikes will be in millimeters. Now I'm going to map the smaller lengths in between the spikes. Remember, you can adjust the lengths to suit the client's desired result. And here is the completed mapping for the anime set. You should use either a boot, slim boot or angled tweezer to pick up the closed fans. To pick up a closed lash fan, simply grab a bunch of lashes from the upper area of the lash. Dip in your glue and then place onto the natural lash. Always start by adding the spikes first. This will make it easier for when you start to add the smaller lashes in between. The spikes should be thick enough so they stand out, but the base should still be thin enough to fit on the natural lash. Continue adding all the spikes. Remember, for anime sets we're using a closed fan. The thickness of these lashes should be either 0.05 or 0.07. I'm going to use a straight tweezers to isolate the lashes closer to the inner corners. And here are the first set of spikes added. For a more subtle anime finish, you can just have the spikes as shown and then add these smaller lashes in between. But if the client would like a more obvious anime finish, you can add spikes next to the longer spikes. This will give the spikes a thicker, fuller finish, and they should be about 1 millimeter shorter than the longest spikes. I am now adding the slightly shorter spikes. Continue adding until you have the desired thickness of the spikes. As you can see, the spikes look beautiful, wispy, and they stand out. Now I'm going to simply add all of the shorter lengths in between the spikes. Continue lashing until you have a completed set. And here we have the completed anime set. As you can see, the longer lengths really stand out and look beautiful and wispy, creating that ideal anime finish. Thank you for watching this lash tutorial.